Hello viewers, welcome to FinStreet. In today's video, we'll be taking your cryptocurrency journey one step forward. So if even you want to take your cryptocurrency journey one step forward, then please stay tuned till the end of this video, because today we won't only be talking about what futures and options are in the cryptocurrency market, but along with this, we'll be telling you about one very interesting exchange that provides you with a very efficient, timely and innovative service of futures and options. So if you want to know about that exchange, stay tuned till the end of this video. And before beginning the video, just one small request to please like and share this video with all the cryptocurrency lovers, and while subscribing to our channel, do press the bell icon. So without any delay, let's begin and tell you what are crypto futures. So with an example, let's tell you that suppose you're looking to minimize the volatility while taking advantage of price alterations. So crypto futures will definitely be a smart choice for you. There are derivative products through which buyers and sellers agree to trade a crypto asset at a pre-established price and date. The contracts that you trade in future market do not carry the true value of the cryptocurrency you use. This means that you do not own the purchased cryptocurrency. Since you are contracting on a pre-established terms, a future contract will not confer on you any economic benefit that ordinarily comes with buying cryptocurrencies. And essentially, crypto futures trading rewards your speculation and allows you to trade with ease regardless of rising or falling in prices. In other words, trading future contracts are similar to placing bets because your predictions determine your overall rewards. And while predicting the prices, you're supposed to use your skill set and not mere price charts. I mean, definitely do make sure that you know about the tech analysis of the charts, but along with this, you're supposed to use your skill set. You're supposed to use the fundamental analysis as well while predicting the prices of a cryptocurrency in future. So depending on the risk appetite and trading signals, participants can go long or short. You can go long when you anticipate that a price is going to increase, and while you go short, you expect that a price is going to drop in future. Regardless of the direction, once the pre-agreed date comes, the contract expires and the parties settle. So you will also gain to the leverage in most future markets. Leverage is a strategy that allows you to trade future contracts without having to pay upfront the full value of the contract. So traders can borrow the needed capital to finance the contract with a relatively smaller equity stake. And this was about futures. Now coming to what are options. And options is also a type of derivatives contract that gives its purchaser the right but not the obligation. Hear this correctly, that this derivative contract gives the purchaser the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at a set price, or in some cases before or at a set price at an expiration date. So the right to buy the underlying asset is known as a call option, and the right to sell is known as a put option. And like other derivatives, options are simply contracts that allow traders to speculate on the future price of an underlying asset and can be settled in cash, you can say US dollars as well, or actual cryptocurrencies, that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And now, if you're understood about what futures and options trading were, let's take you to Delta Exchange, which we wanted to talk about today, which is one of the most interesting exchanges and one of the most innovative exchanges that exists in the cryptocurrency world today. That Delta Exchange is providing not only futures and option services, but along with it, it's providing Robo strategies, IRS, swaps, and a lot of other options as well for you to choose from in derivative options if you want to trade and take your cryptocurrency journey to the next step. And signing up in this exchange is just a one-click process, and you can do that within 30 seconds. So if you also want to understand more about this exchange, so do click on the link below, which would redirect you to the Delta Exchange's website, and let's take you there and then explain you on how it is very easy to sign up on Delta Exchange and how signing up will provide you with a lot of benefits as well. So without any delay, just click on the link below and let's go to Delta Exchange's portal. So we hope you must be clear about a couple of things on what futures trading is about, what is a derivative exchange, and what what are these different exchanges that provide such options. And one such exchange, as we told you, is Delta Exchange. And today we'll be telling you on how you can sign up and get a bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars as a trading bonus on trades of futures and options on Bitcoins and other 50 other top cryptocurrencies. And it's a very simple process. All you need to do is click on the sign up in 30 seconds option. Alternatively, you can click on the top right corner, sign up option is available, and then you need to select your country of residence. We live in India, so we'll choose India as a country of residence. We'll provide them with an email ID. We'll write down a mail ID, and then we'll choose a password that suits us. They will suggest a password, but we'll still make sure that you use a password of your own which you can remember. So enter whatever password you want to, but make sure it is secure. And once you get a stronger password as an option, it's written very strong, and that is something you can choose, and then you can sign up with it. And after that, you will get a code on your email ID that you've provided. The account will tell you itself. You can choose to say never. And after that, you just need to check your account, the mail ID that you've put here, and after refreshing your mails, you'll find a code that has been sent to you by Delta Exchange. And after receiving that code is when you need to enter those 6 numbers that they've provided, and after entering those numbers is when your account would be validated. Alright, so we have the code, and then we'll be filling it up here and confirming our account. You can click on submit, and here you go. See, your account has been successfully created. You can deposit up to 30,000 bonus on your first deposit you will get, and then you can deposit using this ERC20 address. You can deposit USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. This is your public key. You can copy it up and send it to somebody or send it to your own wallet if you want to transfer the money. And after successful deposit, you have to click here to claim your bonus, and you'll only be able to claim this bonus once you have deposited the money. And hence you've created this account, and now you will be able to use all the services provided by Delta Exchange, which are a lot of them, of course. And now you will be able to trade in Robo strategies, futures, options, spot trading, which is, by the way, with 0 fees as written and mentioned here. Then you'll be able to use the spreads and IRS options as well, and you'll be able to trade on all these options, use all these offers, and then make sure that your cryptocurrency journey is just one step ahead of all the cryptocurrency users. Thank you for joining us in. If you have any questions regarding Delta Exchange or how to sign up, if you have any questions related to this, please comment below. We'll be more than happy to answer it. Alternatively, you can join our Telegram channel, whose link is provided in the description, or you can tweet using the hashtag IndiaLearnsCrypto, and we'll be answering your questions as soon as possible. See how easy it was to sign up in Delta Exchange, and how easy to use interface it has for all the cryptocurrency users in the market. So what are you waiting for? Just go and sign up at Delta Exchange and start trading in futures and options. But in the end, we want to warn you that this is a very risky option of trading. So make sure you've done your research well, make sure you've read about it well. Even if you want to know more about this types of trading, about derivatives trading, Delta Exchange has an option itself for you where you can learn about all these things before you actually jump into the market performing trades in futures and options. That's it for the day, users. If you like our content, make sure to like and share this video with all the cryptocurrency lovers, and while subscribing to our channel, don't forget to press the bell icon, so whenever we update you with such interesting, knowledgeable content, so you are the one who will be getting notified at first. Thank you, users, for tuning in. Today we'll be right back with another cryptocurrency worlds video very soon.